Hi, today we're doing another home improvement slash DIY video. Here I have a screen door that is supposed to open and close, but it's been broken for more than a year. The string has snapped off, and I had tried to fix it before with epoxy, but then it failed again pretty quickly. So today I bought these two types of string. I have a Kevlar string and a UHMWPE, stands for ultra high molecular weight polyethylene string, and I'm going to replace the string inside, or at least attempt to replace the string, and then see if it can go back to working condition. So take a look at the string here. The original string compared to the new string. The new string is much thicker. So my hope is that it will still work and it will not fail again in many years. Okay, so get started with the repair.
So what?
So the string broke here. Okay, so this is the string, right, that broke, and it's attached to this piece here at the end. So I need to replace the string up to this point where the screw is. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Get the screwdriver. So a knife, scissors. I'm gonna try the ultra high molecular weight polyethylene. And then make it the same length as before. Doesn't have to be exact. This is adjustable at the top. Probably like that. Got it? Okay. This part. It's Kevlar. I think the original is Kevlar. Looks like that. Okay, that's gone. Okay. Still doing it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So unscrew this. Let's see. Not sure how this. Oh, okay, it has a nut at the end. Okay. It's like hooks on and then goes around the screw. See if we can replicate that. So the string might be too thick.
Okay. Yeah. String is too thick for this thing. So I'm just gonna loop it around the screw and that's it. And tight, tight. Okay. So that's that part. And the other end goes in. Let's see. Doesn't matter, does it? Oh man. Doesn't go through. It's not gonna go through. What should we do? I can try to burn it. It's like fuse it into a type thing. Okay, let's see. This can be used with a flame. Supposedly it can. Probably to enlarge the hole. Okay. Let's see, I got the hole enlarged a little bit. See if the string can go through now. Something is going through. Oh, it's going through. Yay! It's going through. So I need to go through the other one now. And then make a knot here so it doesn't come back. That's it. Okay. Put it straight through here. Replace the screw. And this thing has to be routed through this hole. Okay. Stick it on. Okay, so I think I didn't do it right. What I need to do is take the string. I have to route through this piece first. So the string has to go through a few different holes. I think it's gonna be challenging. has to go through this hole first. Only because I bought the thick string, so it's made my life harder here. For the sake of longevity, I'm not sure. Is it worth it? Okay, has to go through this hole, and then it has to go through this hole. Okay, I did it. Go through the bottom hole and then into the top hole and then out from that hole. So now it's like this. And then supposed to go through this hole, which is already misshapen, I think, from all the forces pulling on it. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that, but I can attempt, give you the last attempt by drilling it out. Drill it. Not sure if that works. If I can do it, then I will do it. If not, maybe I'll skip that hole. I'm able to. Oh, okay. I ran out of storage just when I had success here, so I was able to thread the string into the other hole here. So now the next step is to put it through this piece. This piece, yeah. Let's see. Is it able to do it? Okay, that's that. And then have to go through the hole again last time. Okay, that's it. Tie a knot. Yep, tie a knot so it doesn't come back, and this is it. Put this onto the upper track. Yeah, basically this has to go in here. Okay, slide over, goes in and then goes in here. Push it all the way to the end. Okay. and secure the set screws. Okay. Uh-oh. Doesn't go all the way to the left. Just slightly off. Okay. Need to make adjustment here. Okay, that's it. I think there we go. It's fixed. Yay! So the string works, and okay, clean up and throw away. Thank you for watching. That's how I fix the screen door. I'll put the screen door manufacturer and what I use in the link below. If you're interested, then you can take a look. I like the screen door. It's nice to keep the bugs out. You can keep the door open, especially in the summer. So I think it's a good product, but I think they could maybe make the string a little bit more long-lasting. I think it broke after about 3 years of usage, and you know, like kids go in and out, very rough with it. So yeah, so hopefully the video can help somebody. If you're gonna fix something like that, then it's doable. See you in the next one.